Good morning. Good morning. Just getting set up here. I have my workout already. Feeling good, dude. Feeling real good. Also, share system audio. Yep, sure. Sure. All right. So, first thing you will notice, well, is not that, is we have news coming in at 5:30 a.m. Shouldn't move the markets too drastically. Let's see where we're at here. Remove drawings. See, that looks good. Let's see book map though. Oh, book map is bull. Oh, kind of. See, that's a good entry, but it's a little, got 4 more minutes before the open. I'm not feeling risky at the moment. This would probably be a better stop than here. Top of the range. As long as we get a 2-minute close, it'd be nice to see. MNQ's going nicely. Let's get TradeZilla up. Okay, here. Start my day. Bam. And we gotta insert this image. Yeah. Bam. Oh, there you go. That's nice. Good play right here. 2-minute close. Let's go with the limit order. If it pulls back, awesome. If not, then it is what it is. Super small risk, MES. How's book map looking? Bullish, very bullish this morning. MES also very bullish. MNQ and MES very bullish. So it looks like I'll miss this entry right here, but it is quite early. It's 4:43. 2 more minutes before market open range and low are set. So yeah, I like that. MNQ, that's a nice play too. So I'm just gonna log this idea here because it is a nice idea. Book map. Had bullish orders. Nice long play. Before open range is set, which is the first 15 minutes. All right. Looks like I just got entered into the market. There we go. 1 minute before the close. So, I mean, it's a nice entry. It's decent. Let's see if there's any targets on MES. MES looks like it's clearing up. So all the orders up here just got cleared, got pulled. No orders below us though, not even before the market opened. So that's good. Oh, looks like I just immediately got taken out for my profit. Small $35 win. It's nothing major. Or yeah, 31, not even 35 because commissions. So if you saw my limit order, here, I'll just show you. Limit order says $35 profit. With commissions and everything and transaction fees, it came out to a $31 win. So yeah, so that's M&Q. This is a trade idea. It looks like the opening range is getting set, or it's set right there. So if it pulls back down, it'll be a back into range play. But let's go ahead and save this chart as an idea. So this is MEQ long before 15-minute reset. Oops. Then we have trades taken, MES, mid-range, long. Oh yeah, I gotta put mid. And then we're gonna go ahead and take a photo. Beautiful play. This is actually a limit order. I usually do market orders, so order usually. I'll move it a little closer. Okay. This is limit order. Usually I take market orders. Price. Whoa. It do that, man. It do that. Price. This is limit order. Usually I take market orders. Price was bullish along with book map orders. It was like in and out in the same minute. That's pretty cool. All right, so copy that, save that there. First trade of the day is complete. So like I said, we have 5:30 a.m. crude oil investments or inventory. We'll see how that checks up the market. And let's see. This morning I have X on my iPad, see if there's any like hot news coming up, you know? Well, if I could actually log in. Let's see if it works. All right, cool. So it did. Nice. MNQ showing potential. Yeah, I'm gonna take reverse market. Oh no. Sell, bro. Redonkulous. Simply redonkulous. So that, see, one. Preposterous. How's the book map showing? So we got orders both on more sell orders here, but it's kind of like a little indecisive. We'll see what it wants to do though. If it pulls back here, I would like to get in one more time, but kind of did get in pretty late here. How's MES? Oh, there you go. So this is set. We could clear the drawings here. It's back into range play. Oh, let's look at the Mag 7. Mag 7 is kind of right there testing the anchor VWAP. Bullish, bearish. Not sure what it wants to do. See the 2-minute strong bearish close. We have 30 more seconds before this bearish close, and let's see what happens. So it just got triggered in here. So I'll remove this. Not feeling too confident about this trade, honestly. Oh, might be just choppity chop chop here. So the Mag 7 is bullish. This is a pretty good entry for back into range play. It created a higher high, just closed at a higher low. So we'll see what happens here. What do it want to do? 2 minute. I like that bullish engulfing. You see how it encompasses the last three here. 1, 2, 3, and then boom, it engulfs it. Then we had a pretty nice bearish entry. I mean, bearish close here. We also had a high test here. Trend is going downwards, but it could be just bias. We'll see what the market has to say, right? Could just be chop all the way till 5:30. Higher low. You see this goes higher low or lower high. Boom. Lower low. We'll see what happens. Hopefully that's what happens, but strategies aren't built on hope. Maybe the rebellion is, but not trading. Let me just make sure what I am risking. Not ticks. Don't want ticks. We want it in dollars. Dollars. 200 right there. 264 if it does not work out. So that is back into range play. Mid-range trade closed and canceled. Next setup back into range play. And we'll hold that. We'll see what happens. There you go. Back into range play mid-range. Back into range play off of MES. So that is contradictory to my trade. MES just looks chop. Let me see what it wants to do here. Kind of not liking it. I might pull this trade a little earlier. So the 50-minute is bullish. The 5-minute, not necessarily bearish, just because. So if I hide this, so we could see it a little cleaner. What I'm looking at is the 2-minute. Yeah, that it's awesome that it closed, but this 5-minute doesn't close and engulfing this bullish candle, the first 5-minute candle. So that is what I am thinking out loud as this trade develops. Mag 7 is bullish. MES, not so much. Let's see these orders. Orders are more bullish than bearish. So not really confident in this short play here. Kind of like this long. Yeah, I'm going to get out of this one. What the hell? Yo, I'm stuck in this trade right now. That's crazy. So I'm logging on my phone, seeing if this will help. I'm in Q, right? I'm in Q. 2. Market. Cancel all. There we go. Now I'm flat. It's pretty bad though. Came out to $126 loss. So, 151 total, but with that $31 profit on MES, was able to squeeze out a little bit of profit. That's crazy though. Check this out. Look at that. Let's take a screenshot of this. Pretty messed up, dude. That's annoying. Trade of a my phone. It is what it is. Technical difficulties. That's why stop losses are important. I had a stop loss anyway, so worst case scenario, would have hit it, but still, yeah, that's quite irritating. So we'll go ahead and close this. So I guess for the time being, I'm not able to place any trades on the computer. Oh, I keep forgetting, like, I gotta use my silent keyboard because the ticker tithering thing, just that bothers me. Okay. Like right here. Oh, 1 minute. Yeah. That's the one. That's the entry I would like to see. We're still bullish. Still bullish. All right. Orders. Just say buy orders. Yeah, I think it's just gonna be chop. So I don't know if I want to be trading right now. Because that is the original idea, right? That's the original back into range trade. So did I mess up? Yep. Not trading the plan. Yeah, that's just messy. So let's wait for direction here. I don't like what I'm seeing. Yeah, MES up and down. Bull orders got taken off of M and Q. I'm chilling. I'm gonna chill right now. I don't want to force anything. This would be a back into range play right here. Yeah. As price. So I'm kind of, this was an unnecessary trade right here. Let me go to trading view. 2-minute chart. I do like that. That's why. Went long based off of the New York VWAP break. Close as price broke and close below. VWAP. So there we go. We got 2 trades, M and Q, unnecessarily. Close early. Range long. And this one is God, and they Q back into range short. Close that. Looking for this right here. Yeah, that's just chop, bro. Don't want to be messing around in this market right now. Not a lot of orders in either direction. We have Summit. I mean, this is the biggest block, 6,200 here. So 6,200 is the next big block. Yeah. That's crazy. Technical difficulties. It's all part of trading, man. Feels good to have worked out this morning, though, I'll tell you that. About 25 minutes, we have some news coming in. How's the weather looking? Sitting high. Oh, yeah. 8 a.m. So 80 degrees, 78 at the highest. Okay. Okay. No major news. So we're just gonna let this thing develop, play out. I have my book map here, so we could just sit and observe. Ah, yes, that is something I should do. Post some trades into Discord. Bam. There we go. Nice short orders. Let me see. 6248. 6248. Whoa, that is not correct. There we go. That is the more realistic entry. So since we can't get a gauge of how much we're risking, so if we're using our phone, we could use TradingView. Let's say we're locked out of a broker. Could go to paper trading here on TradingView, connect, and now you could actually kind of size up positions. So how would that look like if price goes here? If I risk it there, how does it look? Right. So that's a little tip right there for you. If you are locked out of your broker, but you can trade on your phone and you're trying to see the risk parameters that you're setting for your trade, you could use the paper trading tool, market or limit orders here. Yeah, it's kind of all over the place here. So I'm not really liking this price action in the sense that even though like this could go down, we got plenty orders here. The big thing is to just sit tight, let the trade play out. But what I see is Mag 7 is bullish. MES is bearish and is chopping all over the place. M and Q doesn't not know what it wants to do. MES is bearish, Mag 7 is bullish. So it's kind of like in this indecision phase right now. MES going short, MNQ. There we go. So right, the most we could do is just sit tight and let the trade play out. Other than that, I mean, what can you do? Once you're in, buddy. You're in. So 62. Let's see how it would look like if we could get down to the levels of those orders at 6,200. Around break even for the day. A little less actually. So still ending the day red if price does get to those levels, which refers back to this trade, the initial short entry. Is this back into range place is good. I should have just stayed in it. So I definitely broke my plan there. So on the second trade. plan. So that is definitely a mistake that's going to go in with trading. Still very like shooketh about this trade of 8 maintenance thing. Okay, so this is probably what's driving the market downwards. The U.S. Has a strong dollar policy. It's not intervening in a dollar yen right now. So talking about strong dollar policies and the market's reacting accordingly, saying, "Are you sure about that? You sure about that?" There you go. That's probably going to hit yesterday's levels. From there we could probably see some buy orders come in just because again the market's been bullish here. M&Q looks like in the beginning we want to go long, like our MES wants to stay long. Let's get some updated feed here. Oh, look at those orders come through around 7,000s. Oh, that's below. That's down here. So we got 715s. These are going to probably get filled all the way down to 14. Just because this dotted line, this is yesterday's New York session. M&Q. Yeah, same things. The 6,200 still on there. All the orders above us have been removed. Just gotta sit and be patient here. Back into range play. Yeah. All right. So that's probably what's moving the market. Could it be something else? Absolutely. Absolutely. So look, today may be a red day. I'll close one. Oh, I am live, by the way, on my phone. But close one trade around this level here. MES. Because I'm anticipating a little bit of finagling here. Like chop. Does it go back up? Or does it continue to break through? According to these orders, definitely looks like we could break through it. M&Q. Oh, there you go. So M&Q finally broke down below. Excuse me, this is the Mag 7. Mag 7 finally broke down below. Let's see what it wants to do. Whoa. I could play some music here. Maybe a little too loud. Nice bearish momentum here. So we had some strong longs followed by some shorts, some bearish markets since overnight sessions. Now we got some orders coming down even below 26.2 or 6,200. I mean. Strong bearish 15 minutes. And we got 15 minutes till news comes in. Damn, so I'm at minus 200. I let this thing donut, which is a horrible thing. So this is a good lesson here. Take profit. Wow, I wonder if I got out for a loss on that one. That's kind of insane. I'm gonna mute myself for a little bit. All right, so that was a loss. Donut, you saw the notes here. Uh, with the technical issues and taking a couple quick losses in the morning, I think this is possibly interfering psychologically with my decision making process. Um, and it's not easy to do, like to detect the mistakes you're making while you're trading. It can be difficult, but it is possible. So as for these trades, I mentioned how price could react to this level, hit it, and then pull back up. Would like to see a back into range play on both of these, but M&Q looks like it's a better stop loss. I'm not having to expect so much from a move. MES, that stop loss is a little bigger, so that's where I'm leaning to M&Q bias. But we are bearish overall. Bears have been in control more than bulls have been in control. So I'm going to take just one more trade. Let's see if trader bait works now. It's crazy. How do you put in an entry order? Limit order? So I don't think I could place. Oh, can I place? No, not sure if I could place a limit order and a stop order at the same time. It's only asking me for price. So I'll just have to wait it out. Right now, currently, minus 200 on the day. Real small, but losing sucks in general. So don't want to lose, but it is what it is. Can I edit this thing? I cannot. Oh well. Okay. So we have 6 more minutes until news comes in. It's not a big portfolio news. It is yellow. It's a low impact, but we've always seen that any news could be a catalyst for a move, even the low impact news. Yeah, so Mag 7 has just been bullish. Does not want to go short. Holding down the market for us here. So, possibly my last trade. Then I'll be calling it. We'll see what how the news shakes up the market. If it continues to go short, I'll be done for the day. If we go long, I'll be taking a back into range play because of my systems. Like this is how it looks like. And then I'm just gonna get ready for the day and call it my trading day. Take profit, stop loss set, profit set, and call it. Yeah. Currently not in any trades. Again, down 200 for the day right now. So let's see. Let's resync it. Big reds, but we'll be back. There you go. Minus 200 on the day. Had a good week last week. Downsizing, low risk. Want to get my mind right. Like, yeah, that should not be happening. Bad days happen. Should not be happening. End of the year should have been profitable as well. Didn't happen. So, I mean, a lot of learning lessons. This is all part of the process, all part of the growth process. It's only going to make me better if I allow it to. And I am allowing it to. Now we are bearish. Yeah, so just a bunch of chop. If anything, you probably want to sell this more than anything else. Go testing that handoff. It's a pretty good short, though. Continuation. How's MES? Yeah, MES is short still, but not a lot of orders. Like 2,500. Not too many, you know. MNQ also very bearish still. Just be careful going longs or taking long orders. Probably be done for the day. So this probably be a catalyst for a downward move. You know, one thing, my handoff trades, which is taking the trades off of this yellow VWAP or when price breaks out of the open range, it's been pretty profitable actually. If you look at the strategies, 70% strike rate. The average winner and loser, there's a little discrepancy there, but I like winning more than I like big wins. That's cool with me. 70% cherry. That's pretty solid. Right here, we can get another win. Something that looks like this. I'm talking myself into this trade right now. 710. We'll go as long as it didn't move yet. Yeah. No trade yet. 1 more minute, 40 seconds left. But usually, you know, the news, when news breaks, it's humans, right? Humans are telling the news for the most part, saying, hey, this happened, this is what we anticipate, blah, 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 blah. Then price gets taken into play, you know? So it's like split second decisions, then reflected into the market. So we may not, what I'm saying is we may not see an immediate move as soon as it hits 5:30, you know? And I did take one contract here. Real small. Ooh, some orders have been phantom up here, 2,300. I just noticed that. 6,300 for M&Q. 6,200s, man. It's been there for a long time. Started coming on at 5 o'clock, so the last 30 minutes. Okay. So a nothing burger, right? Let's go ahead and check financial juice. What it say? What it say? 530. Oh, dang it. So it's supposed to be plus. It's actually minus. So maybe that affects the market in a bearish, with bearish sentiment. Orders 717. Yeah, that's what I got in at 50.50. I think basically if I win this trade, I'll cover my commissions loss. Like I'm at 200 and then it costs me a few bucks to get into the trade. And if I close it for like here, that'll be a break even for the entry. Like it'll cover my commissions or the cost to get in the market. It's kind of funny. Also, it is what it is. But oh, we got plenty more orders coming in. Now we're at 3,000. Before it was 2,000. Same with M&Q. M&Q is finally tanking. There we go. It's going down now. Just a little choppy chop action around the New York VWAP. Seeing what price wants to do, who wants to take control. I really think this goes down to this level. So the way I would approach this, if I had the time or if I end up checking the charts later, once this full body breaks, you put on a handoff there, let price do its thing, pull back, break down kind of thing. Once it starts doing that, then I'll be looking for shorts, continuation. Let's see, 7, 10, so down to here. Another handoff. So we have handoffs in our favor. So just a little bit of consolidation. Now if price ends up spiking up above, has a strong bullish close, then we go to back into range play. This is a good stop loss. Stop loss could be here, so price could go here. Convince you to take a back into range play, only for it to tank and actually end up hitting those levels. Alright, so I'm going to go flat soon on all of this. I'll take it. So 183 is like a $20 win right here. So look at the handoffs, man. Handoffs paying me. And also M&Q is actually pretty solid. There you go. It's actually this is where the put on the handoff trades. Ideally, this is what I want to see. Bam, 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 boom. Enter here. Something like that. That's what I want to see. Stop loss there. Target there. We could see it. We'll see what happens. I'll be prepared to take this trade. Something like that. As long as price does what we were just talking about. Close that. Go to the dashboard. So this is the results of the day. Whoa! Oh yeah, this is an accident. That's another mistake there, you know. I was trying to close the position, end up going long, and I think this is actually the position where I was trying to close, and unfortunately, there was the technical issues. So, yeah. And MES short. Perfect play. Perfect play. Bam. All right. Okay, guys, so I'm calling it. I have to go, or at least closing the stream. Like I said, I'll be looking for a few things here. Either price on MES breaks and closes above to go long, but I want to be careful of this level here because it can drop down, continue short as price has been bearish. But look at this, I just noticed this double bottom. Does it want to go higher? We'll see. As far as M and Q goes, M and Q, I'll be looking for a short off the handoff. Target to yesterday's New York VWAP. However, if we get MES is probably going to show its bullish momentum before M and Q does. So along with the Mag 7. So this now Mag 7 is touching a key level here, which is yesterday's New York VWAP. So MES, Mag 7 is probably going to hit above before. If it does, MES is probably going to hit above before M and Q. That being said, M and Q is the one that I actually want to be in, though, just because it has cleaner price action with the stop loss and the take profit. It's more even than MES is. That's how that would look. So, and that's another thing, when price is kind of showing like the bookmap orders are bearish, M and Q finally hit that 6,200 level. It's not really, there we go. 6,200 levels were swept. It's taken. Now, do we see bullish orders? Right now, it's saying that there's more volume on the bearish side, but we see orders filling in. So this could change pretty quickly. We see CVD rising as well. So this could be an opportunity to go long. Reason why I don't want to be long here, again, overall, we've been in a bearish market this morning. Why go against the trend? Trade with the trend. It's the most popular saying out there. Trade with the trend. But other than that, guys, ending the day minus 183. Let's refresh this. Small win. Boom. So that's where we're at. Also, this song is great. Yeah, really good song. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this stream. I'm jumping off, and till next time.